In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air charge temperature sensor on this Ram 1500. This happens to be on the 3.6 liter V6 engine. Let's get into it. You can disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide that off. Now grab the sensor, twist it to the left, and just slide it right out. Take the new sensor, just like the old one came out, slide that in place, and then twist it to the right till it locks. Take the connector, line that up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.